It's Walter Martin back, helping you find the best sales and deals on used cars and trucks in your particular area. I'm going to go into Louisiana for the first time today, and we're going to start with Shreveport. So go to google.com and type in Craigslist Shreveport and hit enter. And the first listing that's going to come up is shreveport.craigslist.org. Go ahead and click that link, and that will take you to the generic Craigslist Shreveport page. If you can't find what you're looking for on the Shreveport page, there's always these nearby Craigslist on the right to look at, and there's search Craigslist on the left. I always go to the for sale section and I click on cars and trucks, and then I go to the buy owner only. This will take you to some of the lowest prices available on Craigslist. Now remember, there will still be prices like $10,000 and $7,500, but you're also going to find prices like a Chevy Blazer for $900. Now, something I will want to point out when making a Craigslist purchase is anything under $1,500 or $2,000, it would be very smart to make sure the vehicle runs and it runs well. This one says while on a test drive, it started making a tick in the motor. So, this is something you'll want to note. If there's a motor problem, that could end up costing a lot more money in the long run. So make sure vehicles under $2,000 run. If it's an older model Focus or Civic or something like that, it's highly likely that the price is just affordable because it's a low-priced vehicle. But if you're looking at trucks and SUVs under $2,000, those are going to be more expensive, and there could be issues. So once again, here's a vehicle at $1,750. They say the AC does not work. We know it's a very hot summer, so this may be a concern. But if you're just looking for a car to get from point A to point B, this would not be a bad option at all. Something I would also suggest doing is look at many many different options over the course of time. Unless you absolutely need a vehicle now, you're going to see hundreds of listings every single day. There's no reason to pick a particular vehicle and then just chase that offer for days and weeks and offer whatever the price is. Best offer, most of the time, if sellers cannot get the price they're looking for, they will be willing to take a best offer for a little bit lower price. So this one is $2,250. If they'd had $2,250 OBO, there's a good chance that if you have $2,100 cash or $2,000 cash, you could get this specific truck. So these are just a few tips and tricks I like to use when searching for Craigslist. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.